Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by huringa.co.in. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for Scanpoint Geomatics. Scan PGEOM is the ticker name, and you are watching the monthly technical chart of the stock. And this is the historical price chart, and these are all the technical indicators that I deployed in this particular stock to do the technical analysis, and these are all the graphs generated by these technical indicators. Now regarding data, I have data since 2009 onwards up to 2017 November 22nd. Okay, if you look at the historical price pattern of the stock, you can clearly see that the stock had reached its peak price in July 2010 itself, and that time it was trading at nearly 79 rupees, and today the stock is trading at 21 rupees. Okay, and after reaching the peak price, peak point in 2010, after that the stock went down, it crashed actually, and then since then it had been lying on the at low level only, and it never tried to cross its previous peak. And on top of that, this stock underwent, entered into the negative super trend mode for quite a long period of time, and only in September 2014 onwards, October 2014 onwards, the stock started moving, entered into the positive super trend mode. But even then, nothing significant positive change happened in either in the movement of the stock or in the price of the stock. Okay, so this is the status of the stock. Actually, if you see if you join all the new highs, all the highs of the stock, you can if you draw a line, then you can see a decreasing slope like this. Even right now, actually the slopes are the new highs are whatever high points it is reaching, that is this high point is less than its previous high, and this high point is less than its previous high. It is something like that. And when it comes to the lows, more or less the lowest point is becoming constant only, but the high point, the high point that the stock is reaching, that is coming down actually. So that is the status of its movement. Okay, the stock is yet to cross its 20 and 50 day moving averages, and it is right now under the influence of positive super trend mode. That's okay. Relative strength of the stock is quite weak. It is below the midpoint, and the direction strength had already crashed. Stochastic is down, and the slow line is on top of the fast line. And price volume is increasing, and but it is more or less constant since May 2015 onwards. Momentum is playing in the negative zone, and balance of power and elder rev both are in sync with each other, and they are telling us that the stock is in bearish mode. And if you look at the Kopak curve, the curve is, the graph is saying that it is below the zero line and baseline. And if graph of the Kopak curve is below the baseline for any particular stock, then that indicates the sell signal. Okay, so if you look at the guiding points, most of the guiding points have given us negative signals, and whichever is there in the positive side, they are all they are yet to reach the benchmark level to show some impact on the stock. So that is the status of the stock right now. So considering all these things, I think this stock cannot be recommended for long-term investment. Neither long-term investment nor medium-term investment. So that's what I want to add, and we will come back to the stock later after a few days, and we will see. We'll redo the analysis based on new points that we come across then. So until then, the stock cannot be considered for either for a short term or a long term. Either for medium term or long term investment. So that is the conclusion for the stock. Okay, guys, if you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.